Another volatile day across southern states. These are thunderstorms that have been exploding. More severe weather down south, especially flood areas. Then it gets cold. It's going to set the scene for a snowstorm that is going to get underway on the first day of spring on Sunday.
That's right. This is a nor'easter, folks.
You know, there's a lot of problems with this storm. What's intensifying the storm? Energy. How do we define energy in the atmosphere? Wind energy. Going to lead to more problems. So we got a lot on the table. I told you before, this was going to be kind of a wild weather pattern. Boy, is it windy out here. You got to get at the bump. It's not a comfortable day, that's for sure.
Stay cool. Yeah, that's right. Welcome to Asteroid Challenge Fight Club.
This is space. There's space all over the place.
I need your love. This is a Thor News presentation. Hit the button, baby.
I mean, this storm has problems.
Okay, it looks like we got a middle of March snowstorm blowing in to the East Coast. We just had a storm roll through Texas a little while ago. It wasn't that bad, though the thunder sounded a bit creepy. Now, if you watch the charts, our friend Bernie is about to show us. They look kind of creepy. And they kind of look like this thing right here. The eye thing. And the tail. So, the East Coast may or may not get a giant snowstorm this weekend. Saturday and Sunday, I think. So that's interesting, right? I mean, I don't know, I'll check. I'm sure giant snowstorms are normal for the middle of March. Maybe? Oh, means sea level pressure. We've still got these bad binary boys running the show, so that's interesting. Wouldn't you say? Oh. Whoa. No. That doesn't look good. Is that a typhoon? We shouldn't look at the bottom. The bottom always looks kind of scary. No freak out. Oh, Jesus. Help us all? Yeah, it doesn't look good. It doesn't look normal. You're right.
First of all, severe weather today down here across Texas into Louisiana, and then tomorrow sneaks over to on the southeast. So the flood areas will get some more heavy rain. I think next week they get beaten up by heavy rain down here with this next storm. Colder air is coming into the northeast this afternoon and tonight, and it'll be a chilly weekend with the stormiest weather probably on Sunday and Sunday night.
Look at what your winters are doing. It's a frozen phantom bumper. The ghost of a parked car past.
Check out how it looks in some spots across Colorado. Dangerous driving. That's why we have a winter weather warning that's in place for Denver. It's going to truck across the coast tonight, and it's going to make its way then north. That's right, this is a nor'easter, folks, and that means we're going to see wind and we're going to see snow, but the question of how much.
The real key is the trough that's coming in from the west, when does it go negatively tilted? Because when it goes negatively tilted, two things happen. The storm intensifies, right? And then that negative tilt brings precip back in a couple of ways. Number one, you bring precip back, you're also going to intensify the back edge of the precipitation on the west side of the storm, because now this is the U.S. model, and this is the forecast for Sunday afternoon. Now you're thinking, okay, where's the snow? 6 hours earlier, the exact same model had shown a much bigger area of snow. Which to believe? Here comes our storm starting to form. Everything is in line. Here comes our injection of cold air. Here comes our jet stream. Everything is lined up. I'm telling you, you really got to keep an eye on this trough axis this weekend. That's what you focus on. When does it go negative, and how strong is it? But I think by this time you're thumping away in Boston, Providence, even Hartford. I'll tell you what, it'll be a heck of a lot more if this storm intensifies faster. It's all about this trough axis. When does it go negative? But let me tell you, the difference between this map being overdone and this map being underdone is the thickness of my hair. That should scare you.
One thing certain, a lot of wet weather to be had today near and to the north of this front straddling the Gulf Coast. So more showers and more storms, and very heavy rain, certainly not welcome in these areas. We're just trying to recover from all that flooding from weeks ago.